Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best and welcome to the Calm and Stress Management training page. What is the benefit? What is the purpose of an effective stress management training? I'd like you to notice that effective stress management can actually safeguard your mental and physical health. I would like also to realize the looping effect of a relaxed and stress-free mind, which would allow a healthy body, a healthy mind. So what are the results of the calm and stress management training? Well, this calm and stress management training can grow and improve your well-being, feeling centered and grounded, your mental health, your self-awareness, but also your energy level and physical health. Now, you may have questions, things you'd like to know or understand. Well, you can scroll down all the way down to the FAQ, frequently asked questions, where you can get answers of, well, the questions most asked. And if you want to know more specifics about the training, or have your own unique question, well, you can always schedule your one-to-one conversation via the booking system where it says schedule a call. Thank you so much for listening, and in the meantime, release your best.